welcome back to my channel. It's Lexi. We hit 10K. Like, whew, I can say it out loud on camera. We hit 10K and look how I look. Oh my god. I am just so excited. Oh my gosh. Like, I cannot. I'm so excited. So today is the first episode of Twist and Talk, or Talk and Twist. I don't know what I'm gonna call it, but I'm talking and twisting my hair. I'm actually braiding my hair right now, but that's neither here nor there. If you guys haven't heard me mention Talk and Twist or Twist and Talk before, if you missed that video, I plan on coming on here every once in a while and just talking to you guys while I twist my hair, giving you guys some updates, shooting the you know what, whatever the case might be. So today's video is the we hit 10K on this channel, which is freaking crazy. I'm about to hit 3K on Instagram, which is also crazy. Like, just remembering how I began this whole thing and seeing where it is right now is pretty cool, and all the little goals that I have set for myself and the goals that I have reached already is insane. So I have a couple different updates, and this video is going to be all about my 10K giveaway, which y'all want to know about, I'm sure. So I will be doing a huge giveaway on this channel. I'm going to do a live video probably like sometime this week. I want to make that video a Q&A and just talking video as well. It's going to be a live, so y'all will be there with me. But I'm going to have you guys comment under this video some questions that you want me to answer. Just comment it right now. Any question you have for me in regards to hair, veganism, anything else, any personal questions, whatever you want to know, just comment it down below. Ask me whatever, and I will answer it if I feel like it, if I feel it's appropriate to answer on the interwebs. But yeah, my last Q&A, I did it on Instagram, so a lot of you guys didn't get to ask me questions from here. So yeah, just comment questions down below, because my giveaway video, my live giveaway 10K video, will be a little bit of a Q&A. I also have some other plans, and I'll also be giving away some things in that video, a lot of things. I will be taking over the Chocolate Kinks and Curls Instagram page this Sunday, which this video should be up on Saturday, which is today. Follow me on Instagram and follow Chocolate Kinks and Curls on Instagram so you guys can enter the giveaway and watch me take over their Instagram. Like, what is really going on that I'm out here taking over brands' Instagram pages? It's actually crazy. And if you're gonna ask me, I'm braiding my hair up with the Chocolate Kinks and Curls line because I was filming for my takeover. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm doing 2 birds with 1 stone. So yeah, I already have a video on that brand, so I'll link it in the cards. Okay, so yes, we talked about the giveaway. Comment your questions down below. And then I wanted to ask you guys, what time is best for you guys? I'm not going to give you guys like an 8 p.m., 2 p.m. question. If you want me to do the giveaway at like 8 p.m. versus 10 p.m., I'm obviously going to do the live at nighttime when everybody's home and ready, you know, from work and stuff like that. So it will be at night. But the question is, do you want the giveaway to be like at 8 p.m. or like 10 p.m. when you're all like in your bed, cozy, ready for bed type of thing? I'm leaning more towards 10 p.m. It will definitely be on a weekend. So just obviously it won't be like on a Wednesday at midnight, but it'll definitely be on a weekend, and it'll definitely be lit. When I tell you guys, I have like a whole box of things I need to give away. I have like a whole box of things I need to give away to you guys. Like, it's actually crazy. So there's that. 10K, I'm so grateful. I don't want to cry, but I'm just so excited. So we're going to have a 10K giveaway, and we're going to go on live, and we're going to talk and chit chat and get lit. Y'all already know how I get down. And the only other thing I have to talk about with you guys is the fact that I am planning to do a Kandidkinks event here in Miami. And by planning, I mean like it's actually gonna happen. I'm shooting for the fall, but I had originally planned like a December thing. But a few people told me like, oh, you could do it like in the fall before it gets to be December, because I mean right now it's only April. But I'm shooting for December, the fall time. We'll see what happens. My birthday is in October, so it'll be cool to have it like in October. Little birthday shindig with at the same time, like, you know what I mean? But I'm gonna have an event. I'm gonna be doing like some vendors. I wanna have some like a lock demonstration, a natural hair demonstration. I want to have some chit chats about natural hair. I want to just make this event everything that I am, and make it just like for you guys to come and talk and meet me. I know all of you guys don't live in Miami, but if you live in the South Florida, even the Florida area, and you want to come out, that would be freaking cool. I got this idea because I went to an event, a local event here in Miami, and I loved the venue. And I was like, man, I could really have a dope event here in this venue. I can have my subscribers come, some natural haired friends come, whoever just come out and chill and talk hair and beauty and just like, you know, network and whatever the case is. My friend was like, yeah, we should do it, like for sure, blah, blah, blah. And then I went to the event in Maryland last weekend, and I'll link my vlog. If you haven't seen it, I'll link it up there. But that was an amazing experience, and it was so much fun, and I was like, man, I should definitely do something like this for people, because Miami doesn't really have a lot of events like that. I don't want anything huge. I want it to be kind of small, intimate, like 50 people, just like women just really, you know, bonding, talking hair, playing games, singing, like just hanging out. More of a chill vibe than like probably what you're used to these events being. But the event I went to, I was absolutely in love. I had the best time, and I was like, man, I really should do this. But I'm the kind of person, I'm like, oh, I'll wait until I grow some more, or I'll wait until all kinds of self-defeating thoughts that I was having. Then I met another subscriber who, like, now I'm like mad cool with her. She trained me, like a physical fitness trainer, and she was like, oh, you should have like a natural hair class. And I was like, I want to have an event. And she was like, you should totally do it. Like, people will come. Like, I have some clients that will come. And then like that convo that I had with her was like confirmation, like, no, you're gonna have an event and it's gonna be lit. So I'm for sure going to have a Kandidkinks event here in the 305. So if you're in the South Florida area, if you're in the Florida area and you want to travel to Miami to come hang out with me, go to the beach, go clubbing, I really want to have like a at-home kind of vibe, like a real chill vibe. We have to look popping. I'm so wet. We have to look popping, of course, but I want it to be like a real chill thing. So if you are in the area, comment down below. But if you're not in the area and you would love to attend an event like this, comment down below some things that you would want the event. I'm just talking now and I'm doing my hair. But comment down below some things you'd want the event to, you know, have. Like, what would you enjoy? What is your ideal experience with the natural hair community gonna be like if you were to come to an event with me, like your girl, you know what I mean? So yeah, guys, big things popping. I'm like full steam ahead. I feel like I'm always like, oh, I'll wait until, or oh, not yet. But right now I'm like, nah, if I wanna do it, I'm gonna do it. Point blank period, the time is now. So I'm planning my event for the end of the year, fall time, maybe if things kind of fall into place beforehand. Like I said, comment any ideas, any tips, whatever, comment down below. And I'm also gonna have my Q&A 10K, Kandidkinks 10K, live stream, major, huge give. I have a box full of products. So I'm gonna be having that happening like very soon. So comment down below your questions for the 10K live giveaway. And yeah, guys, go ahead and watch my Maryland vlog. You might see your favorite natural hair blogger. If I'm not her, you might see her in that video. Thank you guys so much for all your support, for all your compliments, your encouragement. You're like pushing me to do better, be better. I'm in a mental state of like, right now, the time is now. I'm on go. like it's what it is. So I'm really pushing, and I hope that you guys will enjoy the content that I have coming out. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram so you guys can be a part of my chocolate kinks and curls takeover. And there's gonna be a giveaway on that whole day as well. Sunday, April 15th, there will be a giveaway on their page featuring me. So I love you guys so much. This was like a half. I did 2 braids in my head on today's Twist and Talk. But I will see you guys in my next video. I look crazy, but y'all, my edges won't even lay down, child. Like, I really look wild out here today. All right, bye guys. I just wanna see how beautiful you are.